In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add auto captions to Instagram Reels. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the plus option given at the top left. With this, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the reel that you want to upload. After you select it, click on next. Now from here, you are able to edit your reel. Likewise, scroll through these options, you're gonna find the option of CC, Captions, click on that. With this, caption will be generated for this reel. Once you are done, click on next. Now scroll down and click on the option More option. Here you'll be able to find the option Enable Closed Captions or Captions. Simply turn the option on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically generate captions for the speech on your reel video. Now I can upload this reel. So this way you can easily enable auto caption in your Instagram reel. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.